Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A trader at Cedar Wave Capital builds an algorithm that uses only past price charts and trading volume to predict the next day moves. After 2 years, it earns no better than the market average. This result provides the most direct evidence for which form of market efficiency. So we have a trader at this firm and they're using algorithm. In that algorithm, they feed into the algorithm past prices, trading volume to predict the future price. And all that work did not really earn better than the average market. So this evidence provides direct evidence for which form of market efficiency. Is it strong, semi-strong, weak, or no form of efficiency? We're going to eliminate D. There's a form of efficiency here. Is it strong? Strong form concerns us with private information, inside information, public information, as well as, it includes past prices, charts, and trading volume, but include also inside information as well as public. So it's not strong. Is it weak? And the answer is yes. Weak. This is an illustration of the weak form. The strategy relies only on historical prices and volume, which is exactly the information weak form efficiency says is. That's already embedded in the price. And its failure to beat the market is a direct prediction of the weak form of efficiency. You could not do it. So in other words, the past prices and the trading volume did not give you an edge because you did not beat the market. It's a weak form. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA exam candidate, CPA, accounting, finance students, go to Farhat Lectures. If you're completing this quiz on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your future. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.